Hi, I'm Anthony from Gog's Camperway, and this is our 2023 Jayco 25RB. This is a Jay Feather. Just did a video on the 25RB. You'll see one major difference, and that's this one has theater seating. We'll see that once we get inside. There's the front again with the lights, LP tanks, electric tongue jack, and we roll down the side here. Storage compartment, battery disconnect. This is a 30 amp trailer. Sewer dump right there. Outlet, TV input, city water connection, black water tank flush. Then on the back side, we have the outside camera up there on top, outside shower in the bottom left hand corner, and then the spare tire right there. Again, this unit has the same setup of an outside kitchen with the fridge out here, a little bit of storage and some lighting, and the all coveted beer opener. And then over here, it has the cast iron griddle cooktop. Outside speakers with an electric awning, and then just the other side of the storage unit. So now we'll walk inside this camper. There's the theater seating I was talking about. It's got trays that are removable if you want to eat dinner there. And you have the same style shower, toilet, vanity. This time I'm not in the mirror. You're going to have a pantry with that motion sensor light, control panel. As we sit in the theater seating, got a pretty good view of the TV. And as you look to the left, you got the kitchen, again with a 3-burner cooktop. Stove, oven, microwave, counter, same sink, cutting board, roll up, strainer. And the same power strip that charges your phone, as well as have outlet available there. Then your storage, and then storage underneath the fridge and oven. This one does not have the U dinette, it's got a standard dinette, unlike the other one that has the U shape. So that's a little bit of space that they gained with a little bit extra footage. They put a theater seating in and shortened up the dinette. And you have wardrobe, the bed, storage under the bed, and each side should have some outlets. There's on the left side of the bed, there's on the right side of the bed, and then drawers underneath the bed as well. So, this is our 2025, or 2020, oh boy. This is our 2023 Jayco Jay Feather 25RB. I guess we traveled into the future with the 2025 mention. Not a whole lot different than the 22RB, but a few things different. This is the final look of our 2023 25RB. Again, I am Anthony from Gog's Camperway. If you have any other questions about this or maybe pre-ordering a 2025, you can call us here at the store at 507-345-5858. Thank you.